So this is what we doing today, right? It's your boy, DIY Trucking. Hey, I gotta change this weather strip here, right? Because it got all bad here. It's been on the truck since I got it. It's probably the original one on this truck. See all that? You see all that right there? Alright, so it's the new one here. I already got it on the door already, so I gotta bring it up through the lining. Gotta get it wrapped around the door, alright? So give me 1 minute, let me set it up. What you're gonna do, the hole here, you wanna start it by hand. Get it in there, like so. And hopefully we can get this to line up here. But I definitely gotta get that in there, get that over the lump there. Alright, so once I can get that over that, I'm good. Alright, so let me get it. Bear with it, brother. Like I said. Alright, so this piece here cost me $173. I bought two. So if you're looking to get this for your door, and you have the KW, like me, a W900, I'll show you the part number here. That's the part number right there. Makes for it's a sealed door. Alright, so it's the seal for the door. Everything you see there through Packard, you already know it's through Packard. KW of Pennsylvania, that's done now. Alright, so let's get this wrapped around the door real quick. So what you want to do, what we want to do, is get it right in the line there. You want to get everything up in the grooves. I don't know if you got to put glue. I ain't seen no glue on it. It's all clean to me, but just make sure you got it. Everything in there. All right. Work is all we doing. It's just going to put it on the line in here. The hard part is going to be the bottom. Trying to line up the bottom real quick. So I'm going to go ahead with this. Try to get everything on. All right. So look. See, that's how it's supposed to look. A cushion snub like that, but the problem's gonna be, let me take it back off. Like I said, I want to get everything straight because I don't want to have to take it back off and pull on the door. So that's gonna be the problem, is pulling on the door. So let me set that up. What you have to do is just walk it down. You ain't gotta do much. Like you see right here where the grooves at, the grooves go between the lining of the door. So you gotta pretty much just walk it down. You ain't gotta do much. You ain't have to put no glue, no adhesives. Just walk it down, and you're gonna walk it all the way under the door. But like it's the bottom part is gonna be the difficult part. You gotta get by the door, but I'm trying to get ready now for the winter. Up here, like I said, you just gotta walk it through the line in here. So this is for a KW W900. It's a 99 KW W900. So I'm changing a new molding because the molding you see on the ground got. And it was just bad, man. I couldn't, couldn't do it no more. But that's what you gotta do. Yeah. You just gotta walk it between the line in here. Make sure you get it in there nice and fit. Cause I got tired of the air coming through. So this is where I gotta get it under here. So I'm gonna have to put the foam down. I gotta fight that one under there. All right, so we gotta walk it back here. And we gotta walk it right back there. Give me a minute, let me get it on. Let me see if I can get that on there. All right, just got to make sure we clean all that white stuff off right here. Clean all that off. Watch your eyes, though. All right, so. Erosion on the metal, all that stuff is aluminum. I'm cleaning that pretty good. Let me get the other stuff back on. Alright. Let's finish up here. 1 second. But that's going to be the part right there where I'm going to have to fit it up in there. Alright, so let's see if we can work this up under here. It's going to be a little difficult, but let's see if we can get it. Open the door anyway. All right, we was able to get under the door. See See if we can focus this camera so we can get it this way. What's going on? How you doing out there? So we gotta fix getting this together. All right. It's not gonna hold too bad under here because it's all ate up. They placed the whole door, but we ain't trying to do that. All right, so just gotta walk it up in here. Just walk it until we hit that piece there. And then we gotta pull it. All right. We wanna pull it so we can get it up in there. You got it right there. There you go. Hoping that it do hold. Though it might, should. Then let me get the screw for y'all real quick. Let y'all see what it is. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all hit the like button, man. Brother always at work bringing y'all content. This is what I do at work. I bring y'all content at work. Let y'all know, see how I'm doing it. All right, so this might fall. Hope not, but we're gonna screw it in anyway. All right, so we screw that in there. All right, let's see. All right, let's get that in there real quick. What the screw do? Yeah, bam! I see ya. All right, so we got this here. So you might want to screw it in by hand. All right, so I'll show y'all what I'm doing here. Gotta show y'all what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. So once you get it, you gotta put it here. So I screw it in by hand. You don't want to get crazy with it. That's it. And grab your drill. Grab this, hit it up, and that's it. That's how you install a weather strip. That's it. We in there. All right, so that's it. I'm worrying about this coming out later. Hang it because I should have put some weather strip up in there, some glue. I might end up doing that. Put some glue up in here just to keep that up in there, but we definitely got it. All right, so close the door. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy DIY Trucker, aka J Quill Auto Talk Live. We got the strip on and we ready to go. So make sure you take care of your equipment. All right, so we out here. Peace.